Hi, Dave here. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation from the factory, I'm going to show you how to use it. So the first thing is, this is your touchscreen radio. The first thing you need to do is touch the navigation button. That gets us in. To search for a new destination, we press New Destination. We type in, right now I'm going to type in Volks to find Volkswagen. Volkswagen Chatham's the nearest dealer at 600 meters away. I just click OK. And it says start. I can start. Some of the other settings in your navigation are right in here. We have route options. We can suggest 3 alternative routes, the fastest route, the shortest route, or the most economical. It'll show you your most frequent routes. And then there's some other settings you can do as well. Avoid toll roads, where you can include trailers and so on.